Jobin Varghese, Fraunhofer IKTS from Dresden, Germany. And yeah, feel free to screen share. And perfect. The stage is yours, Jobin.
Okay, thank you, Christoph. So myself, Jobin Varghese. I'm scientist at Fraunhofer IKTS, and today I'm going to share with you about our revolutionizing microsystem by 3D printed hybrid ceramics, and so especially we do everything with ceramics. So I would like to share my slides. Okay. So this is the outline. So I will start with the introduction about our activities, and I will speak about multi-layer ceramic technologies and additive printed hybrid ceramic components. So these are the topic that I would like to discuss today. Uh, so when coming to the introduction, so Fraunhofer Institute is a service provider for applied research on the field of high performance ceramic materials. So we have nearly 800 employees, and we are located at Saxony and Dresden, and we have three main sites at IKTS. So basically, we have several business unit. I belongs to electronics and microsystems and Department of Hybrid Microsystem and group of microsystem LTCC and HTCC. So basically, our R&D focus is basically for the ceramic thick film technology and multi-layer ceramic techniques. So scientific focus basically on paste development, high resolution thick film sensors, power electronics, and LTCC RF and millimeter wave modules. So these are some of the modules that we are uh, fabricating with ceramic technologies. So I come to the second point. I would like to discuss about the multi-layer ceramic technology. I will give an introduction about the multi-layer ceramic technology. So basically, we focus on the keyword of LTCC. It is a low temperature coated ceramic technology. It is approximately the ceramics are sintered. The ceramic bodies are sintered at 850 degrees Celsius and less than 1000 degrees Celsius, and it make a hermetic package. You can see some of the uh, integrated components in it's a kind of a ceramic printed circuit boards. And the main ingredients of these ceramic boards are especially glass and ceramic or glass ceramic composites. And basically, why we need LTCC ceramics? So basically, this is a high reliability. For example, high suitable CT matching to that of a semiconductor device, and also high thermal conducting compared to polymer-based printed circuit boards, and high design freedom, high frequency suited uh, uh, features, and embedded passives. So basically, most of our industrial customers are automotive, sensors, aerospace, and telecommunications. So these are the key properties that we are customized to develop this additive manufactured ceramics for the development, especially with the dielectric constant and dielectric loss, and also thermal expansions and hermetic packaging uh, 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 itself. You can see some of the packages that we are developed within IKTS in the top area. It's a kind of a ceramic circuit boards. Then I show you how the process of state of art of LTCC multi-layer manufacturing. So basically, this is a ceramic powder that we make with a sheet with a piece of thickness with the desired properties. So here you can see the ceramic thin tapes, and so we blank the tapes for desired dimension according to the design, and then we will go with the wire punching and cavity processing, and then wire filling with screen printing technology. And here we connect with the screen printing technology, then stacking, then lamination, and co-firing together with conductor and ceramic together. And finally, we will be the package after firing. It will be ready for the testing. So here the standardization process with XY sync